I'm Sir Arjan Jesser. I'm grade 12 from St. Paul. To start, I'm gonna introduce you our topic. Our topic for today is mountaineering. Mountaineering is often known as mountain climbing or alpinism. It's a sport that involves reaching or attempting to reach high points in the mountainous locations, primarily for the enjoyment of the ascent. The word is often given indiscriminately to hiking up low mountains with only minor challenges. It is more accurately limited to climbing in areas where the terrain and weather conditions pose such as limited climbing at a certain level of prior. Knowledge is required for safety. Mountaineering is a perilous sport for the unskilled. The next is here. This is the essential things you need when climbing mountains. Navigation, which is map and compass. For sun protection, sunglasses and sunscreen. For the insulation, jacket, hat, gloves and thermal jacket. The next is illumination. Flashlight, lanterns, and headlamp. The next is first aid supplies. This is the most important thing you need when climbing mountain. And lastly, the especially is the extra food before climbing. What are the do's and don'ts when climbing a mountain? First, do's. Prepare adequately. Train physically and mentally for the challenges of mountaineering. The second is know your route. Research the mountain and route to plan to climb truly. The next is check weather conditions. Monitor weather forecasts and be prepared for the changing weather conditions. The next is stay hydrated, nourish, drink plenty of water, and consume high energy foods to stay hydrated and fueled during your climb. The last is communication and plan. Inform someone reliable of your climbing plans, including your intended route, expected return time, and emergency contact information. And here the don'ts. Don't ignore warning signs. Pay attention to warning signs of altitude sickness, hypothermia, or other health concerns. The next is don't solo climb unprepared. Avoid solo climbing if you're inexperienced or unfamiliar with the route. The next is don't rush. Take your time and pace yourself during the climb. Rushing increases the risk of accidents and exhaustion. Don't go unprepared. Never embark on a mountain expedition without proper planning, preparation, and equipment. The last is don't ignore the signs of danger. Trust your instinct and be aware into natural hazard and man-made hazard. Let's define the benefits we can get if we keep climbing mountain. Here we have 10 benefits we can get if we keep climbing mountain. The first is it enhances your physical fitness. The second one is stress reduction. The third is increasing confidence. The fourth is boosting physical flexibility. The fifth, maintaining healthy heart. And the sixth is boosting your stamina. The next is cardiovascular disease. The next is help with balance. And this is the ninth, establish health routines. And the last, revitalize the mind and physical relaxation. And that's all for today that we discussed in our topic, mountaineering. And thank you for listening.